My name is HM1 Quinton Dotson, and I am the Command Climate Specialist at NAS Pax River. So here at Pax River, we advise leadership on all equal opportunity and sexual harassment complaints. I work with the SEMIOs to take EO and sexual harassment complaints, and then I also coordinate training. I advise any kind of issues, concerns, and just how can we continue to improve as a command. What drew me to be a command climate specialist is just my experience and my love for the Navy, the opportunities I've been afforded, the places I've been able to travel to and see, the education that I've been able to obtain. I've had an amazing career in the Navy, and I wanted to make sure that other people also got to take advantage of the opportunities that the Navy gives you. So I didn't want people not to be able to take advantage of that because they weren't treated fairly. Being a command climate specialist is an extremely fulfilling job. I've been a corpsman for 16 years, and so I've never worked outside of my rate. But what I have found is just like how I would treat patients and make sure patients are healthy, I do the same thing except for commands. And just like how unhealthy or healthy patients would have symptoms, commands have symptoms like harassment, discrimination, bullying. So I think what I like most about being a command climate specialist is how fulfilling it is to help somebody who needs help or be somebody's voice who can't speak up for themselves. I'm HM1 Dotson, and I am a Pax Pro.